Hi, I'm Keith from Timberland, and this is the men's 6-inch premium waterproof boot. The men's 6-inch premium waterproof boot. These are the soles and foundation that Timberland is built upon. It's our original waterproof boot, designed in 1973 and keeping millions of feet warm and cozy ever since. We also call this boot the original yellow boot. That's because the work boot styling and comfort features were concepted over 4 decades ago, and they're still evolving today. Since we're from New England, we know how to design boots that can hold up to weather. These boots are seam sealed with waterproof leather and 400 grams of Primaloft insulation to power through winter and rough terrain. These boots are designed with the environment in mind. Premium leather uppers from a tannery rated silver by a third-party environmental audit. The Leather Working Group judges and classifies tanneries based on energy use, waste production, and water treatment. And these boots are designed to soften over time and mold to your feet. Get some product care to keep them fresh for a lifetime.
Hey, I'm Katie from Timberland, and this is the women's Cormier Valley collection. Our Cormier Valley collection of women's boots is influenced by the original yellow boot. That's the Timberland flagship boot, but with a slimmer silhouette and designed for a woman's foot. These feature substantial soles and a work boot aesthetic, but there are plenty of design tweaks you can't see. They're engineered to be amazingly lightweight and feature 2-part flex insoles with fuller range of motion. Our Cormier Valley boots pair recognizable outsoles with comfy footbeds and super luxe linings. Get creative. These add a tomboy edge to any feminine ensemble and can be styled with so many different looks. Get yours in tall, Chelsea, or lace up.
Hey, I'm Jason from Timberland, and this is our Garrison collection. New this season, the Garrison Trail men's hiking boots and shoes are designed to take on the great outdoors and the city streets with plenty of sustainable materials and technologies. The waterproof mid and low hiker versions feature sporty styling that look great whether you're out for a day hike or just need comfy, durable shoes for traveling or walking around the city. These men's hikers feature rebottle fabric linings which are made with at least 50% recycled plastics and timber grip traction technology. We also have a non-waterproof version that's made completely with recycled materials and synthetics. These shoes don't feature any leather, but they don't skimp on durability. These feature bumper and heel pieces crafted from climbing grade, super rugged rubber log outsoles and timber grip traction technology for confidence on any terrain.